front of me is ALCATEL freebie, and let me show you how to install some app on the following device. So at first you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. So I am connected to HardReset.Info network. Then go to your Play Store and you have to log in with your Google account. So enter either your email address or phone number. In my case it will be email address. And click on next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on more, accept. And now you are logged in, so you can smoothly use your Play Store. It's time to enter the name of the app that you would like to install. So let me pick, for example, Instagram. And then click on install. And that's it. Now you can open the app and use it as only you want to. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.